read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Respected teachers, how are you? Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to count, identify and trace the number 4. Order and sequence numbers to 4. First of all, we will teach them how to trace the number 4. Okay? Let's start with me. Start from the dot, come straight down, make sleeping line and make another straight line. It will make number 4. Then you could display different things on students table. Okay? They could count their books, they could count their colors, they could count their notebooks. Okay? We just have to develop the sense how to count the things. After developing this sense, we will teach them number 4 and its formation as well. Then you will teach the statement that is given below. Okay. After that, the poem which I have taught, that is rhyme, we will recall in the class again and again. Okay. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.